Fort Point, directly below the Golden Gate Bridge. That's usually where we meet up for these type of workshops. Offers a great starting point for the day. Now, one of the things that sets Panoptic Chopsticks workshops apart from others is that we actually provide transportation for most of these VIP type workshops. It's great since we're a small group, we can all stay together. Traveling together helps us be able to teach while we're in the car, share stories of what we just got. It's a great time traveling together. So San Francisco just opened up the brand new Salesforce Park and Salesforce Transportation Center. It's the transportation hub for the whole city. This just opened last week. We had the opportunity to actually shoot inside the transportation center, and you can see there's really nobody in there yet. We had the opportunity to shoot upstairs in this beautiful park area, but the light coming through this was just spectacular. It's always fun to see different people's vision as we're going throughout the day. What people see in their shots is different from everybody else. It's just a blast to look at everybody's pictures. As we head upstairs, we're entering the park area of Salesforce Park, which is actually 7 blocks long, up on the top, the roof of this transportation center. It's like a garden oasis in the middle of the city. Palm trees, bamboo, grassy areas, interesting fountains, great reflections. It's got it all. I love the texture that we find. In fact, when we use this texture of this wire wall, we created spectacular shots that have never been seen before. Now, being one of the first groups to ever take pictures here offered us an opportunity to do things that nobody else has been able to do. After we left the park area, we took a short walk down the street towards the bay. My, we found some great places to take pictures along the way. We arrived down at the bay. The breeze picked up a little bit, so we still couldn't use our soft boxes, but we were able to capture incredible photography just with natural light. I love all the views that San Francisco offers. So many different places, so many different types of views. Being back in the car gave us an opportunity to kind of review what we've done for the morning, go through the plans for the rest of the afternoon. We're headed now to Chinatown. San Francisco Chinatown is not only the largest and most populated Chinatown in the United States, but it offers some of the best views and best photo taking opportunities anywhere in the city. And believe me, we took full advantage of every opportunity that we saw. What to do when you're in Chinatown? Dim sum. Small plates, fresh bites, delicious. The low pro flip side backpacks are an ideal backpack to use for any type of photo walk. The amount of gear they can store and the comfort is unparalleled. Now, after our bellies were full, we took off to the streets again, capturing fantastic images in little side alleys, great texture, very unique scenes. Of course, our models just did an incredible job. Everywhere you turn, everywhere you look, there's something to take a picture of. You might even happen upon a Chinese dragon dance. Unique opportunities, fantastic photo locations. Even in front of a bank, you can get great pictures. Now, our last stop was Battery Godfrey, overlooking the Golden Gate Bridge. You can see that the temperature really changed. Everybody's bundled up. The wind was blowing. We had to hang on to our light stands so they didn't turn into kites. But again, magic was had. Man, these interfit lights came through again and again and again. The power and light quality that we get out of these lights, again, is second to none. And yes, it was cold and windy. Now, Battery Godfrey is a early World War II abandoned battery area, military installation. It just offers picture opportunities like you wouldn't believe. Well, by this time, we had already spent almost 8 hours shooting, and we're wrapping up the day. Everyone came away with some of their favorite pictures of a lifetime.